Good morning to one and all present over here. Today I would be talking about the Iran nuclear deal. The deal, also known as the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action JCPOA, was done in 2015. This deal was between Iran and the P5 countries and European Union and the Germany. According to this deal, Iran cannot enrich the uranium more than 3.67% and cannot build more heavy water facilities. And in return, Iran would be relieved from the economic sanctions put by the Security Council. It would be regulated by the IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. Now, why there is a need for Iran nuclear deal? The basic need is that the Iran should not make an atomic bomb because it would cause tensions in the neighboring countries like Saudi Arabia and Israel. Moreover, the unpredictable behavior of Iran uh, uh, moreover the unpredictable due to the unpredictable behavior of Iran, we should not let to make atomic bomb. Now, since 2015, the Iran nuclear deal has faced many problems. For example, with the withdrawal of US by the Trump government in 2018, reimposed sanctions on Iran. Though the E3 countries tried to revive the condition but were not successful fully. Moreover, in January 2020, uh, Iranian General Qasem Soleimani was assassinated by the US drone attack. This proved to be the starting of the Iran's excessive resistance policy, and in return it enriched the uranium up to the 20%, which was way above the prescribed limit of 3.67%. Now, what can be done? First of all, US should not be so harsh on Iran that it may feel depressed. Iran also wants JCPOA because it would advantage Iran also. And secondly, these small attacks such as the drone attack in which the Soleimani was killed should be stopped because these attacks are no good and they would cause tensions in the country only. And thirdly and lastly, the feeling of hatred of Iran among the in US should be taken care of. At last, I want to say that Iran nuclear deal is a simple deal, but countries are making it very complicated. If we can deal it simply, it would be a piece of a cake. Thank you and have a nice day.